Hi, 你好 Welcome to Qiqi's Lingoland. My name is Fang Qi. Are you confused about Mandarin expressions that are similar yet kind of different? You're not sure when to use which? This new video series, Spot the Difference, is going to help you clear the confusion. Before we start the lesson today, here's the special gift I promised in the previous lesson. As a teacher at ClassDo, an online learning platform, I'll be giving away 20 coins for free. To get the 20 coins, all you have to do is buy 100 coins to take my lessons and quote the secret code QIQI2016 when you sign up. So hurry and sign up before the code expires on 31st December. The set of similar expressions we're looking at today is 一点儿一下一会儿有点儿 We'll start off with the first three. They all mean a little, a bit. So how do we differentiate them? To get straight to the point, 一点儿 is about quantity, 一下 about actions, 一会儿 about time. Easy, right? Before we get into the explanation, let's have a look at these questions. I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be able to say the answers with great confidence. Now let's get into the details. 一点儿 一点儿 is used for quantities, amounts of things, and it comes between a verb and a noun. The 一 at the beginning can be omitted. 我在他那儿吃了一点饭。我还有一点钱。他会一点汉语。咖啡要糖吗？要一点儿。You can look at 一点儿 the same way as other measure words. Let's replace 一点儿 in the above sentences with measure words. 我在他那儿吃了一碗饭。我还有10块钱。他会几句汉语。咖啡要糖吗？要一茶匙。一点儿 is also used after adjectives to indicate comparison. 一 in this case is often omitted. 便宜点吧。走快点儿。明天早点来。今天好点了。一下。一下 also means a little bit, but when you look at it in its actual use, it's also one of the many Chinese expressions that doesn't seem to have a ready translation in English. Because it does not have an equivalent in English, all the more you have to understand how and why we use it. So, 一下 comes after verbs and is used to indicate that an action is done briefly or casually. It's also used to indicate an attempt to do something. Additionally, it also softens the tone. 你们休息一下吧。我只看了一下。我尝一下。你来一下。一会儿。一会儿 indicates a little in terms of time, that is, a short while, a moment. 请等一会儿。饭一会儿就好。你再坐一会儿吧。刚才看了一会儿书。I hope you're now clear about 一点儿、一下 and 一会儿。There are cases where we could use two or even all three. Usually, there's only a slight difference in meaning. For example, 请等一下，请等一会儿 are almost the same except that in the first sentence, a little bit is associated with the action of waiting, whereas in the second, with time. So now can you answer the questions I posed earlier with confidence? Now that we've covered the first three, let's look at youdianr and its difference from yģdianr. Youdianr, another expression that means a little. Let's rewind a bit and recall that yģdianr can be placed after adjectives. 走快点. Youdianr, on the other hand, is placed before adjectives. It's often used when expressing things with a negative connotation, often but not always, or when talking about things that are slightly different from the norm or from what you expect. 你的手机有点贵. 今天的汤有点咸. 这衣服有点小. 我有点发烧. 他看起来有点不高兴. Let's insert the following yģdianr sentences at the end of some of the examples that we've just seen. 你的手机有点贵，便宜点吧。今天的汤有点咸，加点水吧。这衣服有点小，大点就正好。Now, are the differences clear? In addition, youdianr often describes states of mind and appearances that are beyond our control. 今天有点紧张。看到偶像有点兴奋。我有点困，来杯咖啡吧。我好像有点喜欢他。我有点想家呢。你问我男朋友什么模样？他呀，长得有点黑，有点孩子气，还有点像刘德华。Here's something that I need to caution you about. Sometimes, yģdianr appears in disguise as youdianr, so be careful. In such cases, you might be tricked into thinking that you're looking at youdianr, but you're not. When youdianr appears in front of nouns, it's actually you plus yģdianr, with the e being omitted. 我还有点钱。锅里有点饭。I hope that by now the differences are quite clear. To be sure, go to my website for questions to test this off. If you found this useful, please do subscribe, like, share, and I hope to see your comments too. See you in the next video. 再见!